Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you Canva Happy Birthday photo poster editing. Go to Canva, create design, type 1080 for height, it's 1082, and then create new design. So suppose that your friend is or will be celebrating his or her birthday and you want to create a photo poster design for him or her. So first you just have to set your page into black, go to elements, and then look for gold wave. And then after that, you have to go to graphics, tap graphics here, scroll down and look for the perfect gold wave for you. Actually, everything is up to you. You can choose from any of this gold wave right here. If you are using pro version, then it would be better. But if you're using the basic version of Canva, it's still okay. So let me choose this one right here, and all you have to do is to put it on the right side and on the left side. So you can change the position. You just have to follow the position I'm going to do here. So you can click this flip horizontal to at least match the picture or the gold wave here on the right and on the left. Okay, so anyways, the result should be like this if you want to follow my design, but still it's up to you. Once done, go to elements, and then this time you have to look for gold balloons. And then you can also type isolated, but this one is optional actually. So you have to choose from any of these designs right here, but I have to go back and look for the gold balloon isolated sample. So this is it, and then drag this to the page. Okay, so you don't need to use the full image for that. Now go to text and then go to add a heading and then type happy birthday. After that, go to font style and then you have to look for this font style. Actually, it's up to you, but I like this font style right here. I don't know how to say this one, but this is the font style I'm looking for. Okay, now what you're going to do is to resize or adjust the font size of this word birthday right here. And then you can also change the color. Tap the color icon and then you can set this to color yellow or gold. Now duplicate this and then change the other one into party. And that would be birthday party. So you can drag this party below. Okay. And this is what it looks like. But actually, everything is up to you. You can follow my design or you can create your own. Tap edit heading again. And then you can type you are invited. Go to effects and then tap this shape, ABC curve. Put it above. Make sure that it's placed like this. Okay, you are invited. You can move it down so that we can fit it in. Okay. You move you are invited here. And this is what it looks like. You can change the font style if you want. Okay, so again, go to add a heading and then you can type save the date. You can change the font style again and you can resize this. So we're going to move it down. And then again, you have to go to elements. And then this time, let's look for line to at least, put some lines at the top and below to save the date. But this one is optional. Okay. And then add again another line. You can change the color of the line right here if you want. You can change this to gold or yellow. And then you can add another one here, another line at the top. Okay, you can change the size. You can adjust the size by tapping the circles right here. Okay, so anyways, the result should be like this. Okay, and then let's just move it down below. So we have here, you are invited, birthday party, save the date, duplicate again, or click add a heading. And then this time you need to enter the date, of course. So for example, October, let's say October 15 or October 10, 2024. Okay, and then all you have to do is to adjust everything here. It's up to you. You can follow my design You can create your own. You can add more elements. You can change the color right here. You can change effects. Okay. And you can also add some elements. You just have to go to elements and then look for a specific object that you want. Now, the last thing is you need to add the address. Okay, feel free to add more. This is just a very basic tutorial on how to create birthday photo poster here in Canva. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to see more content like this and tutorials like this. See you again in our next video.